All right, guys. Well, my video got shut off instead of paused. So let's get back to social studies and science notebook. So we should be turning back towards geography. Let me get the camera. All right. So we finished our social studies. We did page 20 and page 21. And so there's a video for that. And then we're going to do geography and science, hopefully in one video with no trouble. All right, so we are all the way back here onto page 19. Page 19 down here. All right, so we're talking in 19 about intermediate directions. Inter means within or among. And so immediately right in between all of the directions. So if we look down here at our compass rose, on the last compass rose, we just had north, south, east, and west. Now we've added in the intermediate: northeast, east, southeast, south, southwest, west, northwest. So those are the intermediate directions. All right, and then they have a little town here. We have Main Street, and they have a roundabout. They have First Avenue with the roundabout. And so we're going to use this map to answer questions on the next page. When we're done, you can go ahead and color these because that would make it, more exciting too. All right, so on page 20, it says, what are the intermediate directions on the compass rose? All right. Right here is the answer. They want the intermediate, not all of the directions, just the intermediate directions, okay? So we can say northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Can you see that? Was that too light? Let me get close. There we go. Northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. Okay. Write the letters used for the 4 intermediate directions. We just did that rather than write out all the words. I think we're good there. On number 1, which building is east of the library? Okay, let's go back. Library is here. Which building is east of the library? Post office. Okay. Go ahead and get that written down. The post office is east of the library. Which building is southwest of the school? Okay. Find the school. Oh, I'm a little close here. Find the school. And according to the compass rose, it's down and over. What building is southwest of the school? It is the library. All right. So next one, and under Wednesday, it says, start at the post office. In which direction is the police station? All right, we're going to start at the post office. What direction is the police station? It's north and west. North and west, so northwest. Okay, start at the library. In which direction is the school? So here we are at the library, and we go to the school. It's northeast. It's going in this direction up that way. Northeast. All right, we're going to turn the page because we still have a few more questions. I'm going to hold these two pages together so that it's easy for me to turn back and forth. I'm just going to hold them together. Which building is northwest of the post office? Post office. North and west is the police station. All right. Does First Avenue run east and west or north and south? Okay, here's First Avenue. Does it run north and south or east and west? It runs north and south. I'm not sure why we have that little guest. All right. Let's get that written down. Okay, it says start at the west end of Main Street. In which direction is the fountain? Start on the west end of Main Street. What direction is the fountain? So it's the same as if we were on the compass rose and we would go east. All right. What is found where Main Street and First Avenue cross? So Main Street and First Avenue cross at a fountain. Oopsie. I didn't hold those papers together, did I? A fountain. All right. And the last part, it says, on the map, draw a book in the southeast corner of the library. Okay. Southeast corner. So, southeast corner of the library. Draw a book. Okay. And then it says draw a flagpole in the southwest corner of the school. South and west. We're doing a flagpole. All right. Oh, here we go. Now you can see it. Sorry about that. So we have our flagpole in the southwest corner of the school, and we have our book in the southeast corner of the library. All right. So if you want to, after this video is over, you can go ahead and color this in. That would be fun. Go ahead and color in your map. But for now, we're going to scooch over to science. Okay. And we're going to start on page 15. Page 15, right down here. We're going to talk about dolphins, it looks like. Okay. So on this one, how do dolphins sleep without drowning? There's our question. Dolphins are mammals, just like we are. Mammals are alike in certain ways. Both dolphins and humans breathe air and need regular sleep. Their babies are born alive instead of hatching from eggs. Dolphins and humans both have a backbone. However, dolphins do not have a nose like we do, and instead of 4 ribs, they have flippers and a tail. Okay, so over here it says some vocabulary. A mammal is a kind of warm-blooded animal that has a backbone. So it says, read each feature. Write yes or no to tell if dolphins or humans have or need that feature. Okay, dolphins has arms and legs. No. Humans have arms and legs. Yes. Breathes air. Dolphins? Yes. Humans? Yes. Needs regular sleep. It mentioned that up here, that they both need regular sleep. So yes for dolphins and yes for humans. Okay, has a nose. It says dolphins do not have a nose like we do, but they do have a nose. So yes and yes, like a human, but they're different, aren't they? All right. Check the box next to the body part dolphins and animals both have. Okay. Do they both have arms? No. Do they both have a nose? Yep. Do they both have a backbone? Yes. Write 3 things that you need in order to sleep well. Now, these can be different from what I'm going to write. You can write down what you need to sleep well. You might say, I need to have a bedtime story and some cuddles with mom and dad and listen to music while I go to sleep. Okay, you could have all kinds of things. So what things do you that you need? So it's talking about me for my paper and you for your paper in order to sleep well. I need to have a clean bed. That's me. I have to have it dark. And I like it to be quiet. But those are what I have. That's what I like. You don't have to like that. All right. Go ahead and write down what your thoughts are, what you need to go to sleep well. And then we're going to turn the page to page 16. All right. It says, how do dolphins sleep without drowning? Most animals that breathe air live on land. But because dolphins live in water, they have special adaptations that land animals do not have. A dolphin breathes through a blowhole on top of its head. When a dolphin swims to the surface, it uses strong muscles to open its blowhole to breathe. As it dives underwater, the blowhole closes. Dolphins also have a tail and 2 flippers. They swim through the waves by moving their tails and steering with their flippers. Explain how these adaptations help a dolphin live in water. So how does the blowhole, right here it says a blowhole is an opening on the top of the head through which a dolphin breathes. So how does an adaptation help a dolphin live in water? Okay, it opens when on top of the water and I'm going to have to squeeze it in here. Closes when the dolphin goes under. Okay, underwater. How is the tail an adaptation? Okay, the tail helps them move through the water. And the flippers help steer the dolphin. All right, I'm going to stop for a moment. I'm going to let you get all of these written down, okay? If you need more time than what I'm going to stop for, go ahead and push pause, okay? All right, so if you need to pause, go ahead and push pause. 1, 2, 3, pause. All right, so we're going to study the dolphin diagram below. Use the words in the box to label each part of the dolphin. So first is blowhole. We know that's right here. We can look right at that to see how to spell it. Okay. These here are flippers. And this is the tail. All right, make sure you get all of that written down in your book. I'm thinking you might want to, I think that's probably enough for today. All right. So you can always slide the little line back so that you can rewind, so to speak, go back to see what we were just talking about so that you'll be able to get everything written down in there, or you can hear what we were talking about. So, all right. Well, thank you guys for working on that with me. We're going to go ahead. We're going to have 2 videos in there. So I will make sure to mention that in our morning message. All right. I hope you guys had fun doing social studies, geography, and science all in one day. I thought it was fun. Also, be checking in Mystery Science. Let me show you. In Mystery Science, I'm going to be posting, I haven't done it yet. I'm going to be posting some new Mystery Sciences there. So I just started doing them. I didn't realize that those were an option. And so I'm excited that they are. So that's where you'll go and look for your Mystery Science. And in the science notebook, that's going to be, I'm going to rename that. I'll rename that the Science and Social Studies notebook so that it's all in there. All right, guys. Well, if you have any questions, please let me know and have a great day.